Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Abra Cadabra. Lean with it. Abra Cadabra, lean with it. Sang a drop couple days, about a week ago, and just been busy, dog. Like, I'm sorry. I'm taking so long with the reactions. A lot of people messaging me for reactions, but sorry, dog. You know? So, let's just jump into the one now and see what I go on, so we can do phone now. So what kind of reaction we can get from this one? You don't know Abra come with the fire all the while. So, let's go. Lead with it.
So, you know, he be in the building, 7 shit.
Hey, be in the building, bitch.
Get right, get left, and get stretched through the jitters 10 times and no.
Yo, every time you say that, me I try get to him say that, so all the while, me I try repeat it and it not working in my favor. Let me try again.
Building 7 shit. Oh, where no way, get right, get left, and get stretched through the jitters.
Oh, where no way, get right, I get left. The stretch.
10 times and no. Or B shit.
Or B shit. The G. Yeah. Buckler, Abra. Hear that pussy? Wear your vest. Know yourself. Let's go.
Full up blocks, friends Persian, lurking, spin it and person. Bees that chilling on the up block district. Come out the up street learning. He ain't who he says he is in his church, little prick, can't know him in person. He can tweak on the net till we catch him and hurt him, burn him, close them curtains. Pull up.
Pussy, you can't go and talk bad pon the net until we catch you and dirt your buckler. Murky and dirt you. Know yourself. You're not bad. You're not bad. Internet bad boy. Keyboard warrior.
Yeah.
Caps lock. You're not bad. Space bar. Escape. Let's go.
Full up blocks, friends Persian, lurking, spin it and person. Bees that chilling on the up block district. Come out the up street learning. He ain't who he says he is in his church, little prick, can't know him in person. He can tweak on the net till we catch him and hurt him, burn him, close them curtains. Pull up. Squeeze on the lead with it, don't get seen with it, you little idiot.
Abra Cadabra never feel for amaze. Abra never. When him drop a song, just know a fire dog. Just know a fire dog. Like.
So, you know, he be in the building, 7 shit. Oh, where no way, get right, get left, and get stretched through the jitters 10 times and no.
You heard?
Or B shit.
Let's go through this one now. We're not put it up again. We're not put it up again, dog. F up and get your chest up. Wear your vest, cuz. Know your bumper class self, cuz.
No. Full up blocks, friends Persian, lurking, spin it and person. Bees that chilling on the up block district. Come out the up street learning. He ain't who he says he is in his church, little prick, can't know him in person. He can tweak on the net till we catch him and hurt him, burn him, close them curtains. Pull up. Squeeze on the lead with it, don't get seen with it, you little idiot. More time we on tech time when it's on top, stepping out daytime with the evening. I ain't leaving till the 9 milli scenes, and then back on the block and my uncle's person. He can tweak on the net till we catch him and hurt him, burn him, close them curtains.
Yeah.
Squeeze on the lead with it, don't get seen with it, you little idiot. More time we on.
You little idiot, yo. You little frog face, yo. You little nonsense boy, yo. I'm a conk in your head. One tear. You idiot?
Close them curtains. Pull up. Squeeze on the lead with it, don't get seen with it, you little idiot. More time we on tech time when it's on top, stepping out daytime with the evening.
Yeah.
I ain't leaving till the 9 milli scenes, and then back on the block and my uncle's preaching it.
Man, I tell you straight, listen. When you see me step out with the 9 milli, brother, me not leave until something go on. Something have to happen, dog. That is the only time. That is the only time when I will step away from this badness. You understand? Yo, let's go.
Man, don't bang no guns on this evening. He said that we got too much rappers and not enough slappers. He's a little liar.
The person will say I got too much rappers and not enough slappers. He's a little liar. Enough of them rappers, they do them thing. Especially Abra do him thing. That's what I tell you. I'm not afraid. Not because me sing it in a song, make me afraid to do it. I hate me I do. Me I sing my lifestyle. Deaf?
No guns on this evening. He said that we got too much rappers and not enough slappers. He's a little liar. Pants on fire. Like he never got shot out as a tire. Test shot. Make it leak like juice on the up block when they get chopped like fruit. He said said that we got too much rappers and not enough slappers. He's a little liar.
Liar.
Pants on fire.
Fire.
Got shot out as a tire. Test shot. Make it leak like juice on a hot block when they get chopped like fruit. Aim for your head, try split into two, then I'm...
Yo, Abra have the best ad-libs them in the game. Abra, when next one name again? Not Ross. What the next one name, man? Fucking forgot the man name, man. Them man, they are ad-libs giants, brother. Them man, they, yeah, I don't know. Ad-libs,
I'm doing just me and my boo. Pretty on any side, she look good, she'll go on with spit out as a tire. Test shot, make it leak like juice on a hot block when they get chopped like fruit. Aim for your head, try split into two, then I'm doing date night, just me and my boo. Pretty on any side, she look good, she'll go on with things, yes. So that
she pretty on any side, she look good, she'll go on with things, no matter what time a day, no matter what time of night, what time of the morning you see her, she pretty on any side you see her. She look good, she go on with things. She's my ride or die, of course she feel look good.
X-Man was a pumplex, chops out man, pretty on any side, she...
You don't like when you hear that pumplex. Man say our X-Man was a pumplex. You don't know, the X-Man a pussy. X-Man has several pussies. Yeah.
Look good, she'll go on with things, yes. So the X-Man was a pumplex, chops out man like who's next? No. We run this bomber clock, why you think she want ride me and dumb done? Come and see she outside. Pretty on any side, she look good, she'll go on with things, yes. So the X-Man was a pumplex, chops out man like who's next? No. We run this bomber clock, why you think she want ride me and dumb done? Come and see she out, me man, done the talk, grab a gal and lean. Lean with your wife, lean with your gal, girl, lean with your man, lean with the cat, just lean with it, lean with it, lean with it, lean with it, lean with your wife, lean with your gal, girl, lean with your man, lean with the cat, just lean with it, lean with it, lean with it, lean with it, gangland, we got hammers like West Ham batsmen. You don't want to see the gang vex, man, pull up.
Gangland, we got hammer like West Ham, you don't know West Ham, the Hammers football team. Brother, let me just say this. You see, Abra Cadabra, I'm proud of him. I don't know him personally, I'm proud of the man, dog. Like, I don't know. We just proud of Abra, dog. I don't know why I'm just proud of Abra. Abra, I'm proud of you, G. I'm proud of you fuck, dog. You go with back one bag of thing, dog. Every time I drop a song, brother, it never miss. I never hear a shit song from Abra. If you don't hear a shit song from Abra, let me know in the comment section. But me never hear one yet. Abra, big up yourself, dog. Like,
Bring 2 litre dingers and press that. We got hammers like West Ham batsmen. You don't want to see the gang vex, man. Pull up in 2 litre dingers and press that. Bad man from the farming state in jet black, sighting me up and queft that. It can be a good dude or a bad boy from up block. Lord knows I can't left that. If I hop out the ride and buck, dodge that pull when I fling that. Rise and mass upwards like Simba. Guns up, make it fall down like timber. Box on a block, grab that, fill it up. Up block, no sat nav hits like farming state in jet black, sighting me up and queft that. It can be a good dude or a bad boy from up block. Lord knows I can't left that. If I hop out the ride and buck, dodge that pull when I fling that. Rise and mass upwards like Simba. Guns up, make it fall down like timber. Box on a block, grab that, fill it up. Up block, no sat nav, hit him up. What's that I see up, boy, hit him up. Bare 9mm in the clip, fill him up. He said that we got too much rappers and not enough slappers. He's a little liar. Pants on fire, like he never got shot out as a tire. Test shot, make it leak like juice on a hot block when they get chopped like fruit. Aim for your head, try split into two, then I'm doing date night, just me and my boo. Pretty on any side, she look good, she'll go on with things, yes. So the X-Man was a pumplex, chops out man like who's next? We run this bomber clock, why you think she want ride me and dumb done? Come and see she out, me man, done the talk, grab a gal and lean. Lean with your wife, lean with your gal, girl, lean with your man, lean with the cat, just lean with it, lean with it, lean with it, lean with it, lean with your wife, lean with your gal, girl, lean with your man, lean with the cat, just lean with it, lean with it, lean with it, lean with it.
yo.
H1K made this.
Yo, no more teasers. No more teasers. After all that, no more teaser, brother. Hold on. Let me get the next scene, man. Hold on. Abra, me used to look forward to your teaser then, brother. You teaser them always. I'm waiting for that shit. No more teaser. Alright, cool. No more teaser. I'll wait patient like everybody else. But I'm proud of your dog. I said it in the video, but I said no, brother, I'm proud of your dog. I know you personally, G. Your style is different. Everything about you is different, bro. One thing I like, dog, are your ad-libs them, bro. Your ad-libs them never seems to. I'm here like this, listening to the songs, but I'm trying to listen to the lyrics, but the ad-libs them just are overpowered. Brother, the ad-libs them body are fuck. Imagine Abra in the studio. See? Him spend probably 10 minutes record the song. See? Then he spend about 15 minutes of dropping ad-libs at the right place, brother. Yo, the man of ad-libs got dog. The man full of ad-libs, you fuck. Yo. Oh, January. Yo, big up on yourself, still. Abra, big up on yourself, G. Big up the whole farm block. Don't know OFB. So, guys, this is how I'm going to end the one now. So, if you enjoyed the one, please leave a like on the video. It's free. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright? Peace.